Hi, today we are going to install OWASP ZAP in Kali Linux. Let's dive into the video. So go to Google, type OWASP ZAP, go to this first link. From here, download, check for this one. So I'm going to install in Linux. So OWASP ZAP, download. From here, go this one. So we need to install on Linux. Download. So these are the basic documents. So OWASP is a free version. It's like a burp suit, but it is a free alternative of burp suit. So open pen testing, you can do what are the things done in burp suit you can do here using OWASP ZAP. It act as a proxy. Okay, install this one. Install the already I downloaded. Go to download. Go here. Right click. Open terminal here. ls minus l list chmod give execute permission plus ex zap ls minus l list go to root. One minute. See, no problem. So sudo dot slash zap enter. From here next accept next standard installation next next wait for it to extract the packages finish. So zap is installed. Close this one. Close this one. So go here. Extension FoxyProxy enter. Go here. Add to Chrome. Sorry, add to Firefox. Add allow. So it is installed. Add option proxy zap. So title zap port is 8081.127.0.0.1 http save. So it came here. See 8081. So go to zap. So no, I don't want any persistence session at this moment. Start. So this way you can install. Next video I can show how to add that installed proxy here. So you can just test google.com. So click attack. So you can see it's scroll through the URL. So you can see here alert. What are the weakness in the URL? Output spider. This I can explain later. History. So thanks for watching my video. Next video I can show how to add a proxy that FoxyProxy is in uh, in SAP.